Welcome to the Best Picks. The best brake rotors is probably one of the most important components in your vehicle's braking system, ensuring your safety and control on the road. Choosing the right brake rotors can significantly impact your vehicle's stopping power, responsiveness, and overall braking performance, making it a decision that shouldn't be taken lightly. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting the perfect brake rotors for your car, truck, or SUV, helping you make an informed decision to enhance your vehicle's safety and driving experience. Number 5. POWERSTOP K137-36 Brake Kit. Experience superior stopping power with the POWERSTOP K137-36 Brake Kit. It's designed for trucks, SUVs, and 4x4s, providing reliable performance in demanding conditions. This kit significantly improves braking performance compared to your original equipment. It's perfect for towing, hauling, or driving in mountainous terrain. The POWERSTOP K137-36 is built to last. Its components are engineered to work together for maximum stopping power and extended lifespan. You get 2 drilled and slotted rotors and a set of Z36 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads, along with all the necessary hardware for a complete upgrade. This kit fits various Toyota models, including the Tacoma, 4Runner, and FJ Cruiser. Please check the product description for specific years and models. Don't wait until it's too late. Upgrade your braking system with the POWERSTOP K137-36 for enhanced safety and confidence on the road. What we like. It offers robust stopping power, even when towing or hauling heavy loads. If you frequently tow or drive in mountainous terrain, this is the perfect choice for enhanced braking performance and longevity. This kit ensures your brakes can handle the extra stress, providing reliable stopping power for years to come. Number 4. POWERSTOP Brake Kit. Experience enhanced braking performance with our new brake kit. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's existing system for a smooth and reliable braking experience. This kit includes high-quality, original equipment-style rotors and long-lasting ceramic brake pads. These components work together to provide superior stopping power. Enjoy confident braking in any driving condition. It's engineered to restore your vehicle's braking performance back to factory specifications. It's perfect for drivers who want to maintain their vehicle's original braking feel and performance. It's a reliable and easy-to-install solution. This kit is built to last. The components are designed for long-lasting performance, saving you time and money in the long run. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, making it a convenient upgrade for your vehicle. It's a simple way to improve your braking system. What we like. It provides reliable, original equipment manufacturer-level performance. If you're looking to restore your vehicle's braking system to its original condition, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for daily drivers who want dependable stopping power without any frills. What people say. It's been about 2 months now with plenty of miles and trips on steep roads and hard braking with no signs of fade or vibration. Nice smooth stopping, even when pressed hard. Took my Highlander through the Smoky Mountains after installing them, they did great with no vibration or noise. The fit and finish is excellent and I had no issues installing in my 2012 Highlander. The kit included hardware except the pad retraction springs and the worn pad warning indicator, which I reused. Also included is a packet of grease. Braking is strong, quiet, and smooth. Number 3. POWERSTOP KOE2384 Civic Brake Kit. Upgrade your Honda Civic's braking system with this complete kit. It's designed for a smooth, reliable stop every time. This kit is model-specific, ensuring a perfect fit for your 2006 to 2011 Honda Civic. It's made to seamlessly integrate with your existing braking system. Experience enhanced stopping power and responsiveness. It's the ideal solution for restoring your vehicle's braking performance. The high-quality components are built to last, providing reliable braking for miles to come. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's a dependable upgrade. This kit includes everything you need for a straightforward installation. Get back on the road quickly and safely. Choose POWERSTOP for a brake kit that combines quality, performance, and ease of installation. It's the smart choice for your Honda Civic. What we like. This kit delivers the same stopping power as your original equipment. If you need a reliable and straightforward replacement for your worn-out brakes, this is a great choice. It's ideal for everyday drivers who prioritize dependable performance and ease of installation. What people say. Parts fit exactly as stated on the website. All brake pads and rotors are of high quality and value. The coating on these rotors is top-notch. Number 2. ACDelco Silver 18A2461A Rotor. This is the ACDelco Silver 18A2461A front disc brake rotor, designed for superior performance and reliability. It's engineered to fit a wide range of vehicles. It is manufactured with multiple alloys. This ensures improved heat dissipation and better braking performance, even under demanding conditions. This rotor is mill-balanced, meaning it's perfectly balanced for smooth operation right out of the box. No extra weights are needed for installation. We've validated its quality to ensure proper metallurgy and brake plate thickness, giving you peace of mind and reliable braking power. The rounded radius design adds extra strength, enhancing its durability and extending its lifespan. It offers dependable quality at an economical price. It may be familiar to you as a former ACDelco Advantage part. It fits various General Motors vehicles and many other makes and models, including Ford Expeditions, F-150s, and Lincoln Navigators. What we like. It's designed with multiple alloys for better heat dissipation, leading to enhanced performance. If you need a brake rotor that performs optimally under stress, this is a great option. Its mill-balanced design and quality validation ensure smooth and reliable braking. What people say. The ACDelco Silver 18A2461A front disc brake rotor delivers excellent stopping power and durability. It's well crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring smooth braking performance even during intense driving. Installation is straightforward. These rotors and Bosch pads also from Amazon were very affordable, and dang, my brakes are better than ever. The critical surfaces were flat and true. These work great for my 2010 F-150 XLT. My truck stops smoothly and silently. Great fit. Good quality. Number 1. ACDelco Silver 18A2601A Rotor. This rotor is built to last. Its superior design ensures optimal performance and heat dissipation. It's manufactured with multiple alloys, enhancing its ability to handle high temperatures and maintain peak performance. It's precisely mill-balanced, so it works perfectly without needing any extra weights. Rigorous quality checks ensure the correct metallurgy and brake plate thickness for reliable braking power. The rounded radius design adds extra strength and durability, extending its lifespan. It offers economical value without compromising on quality. It's a reliable choice for your vehicle's braking system. This rotor is compatible with many vehicles, including General Motors and other makes and models. What we like. This rotor is manufactured with multiple alloys to improve heat dissipation and performance. If you're looking for a cost-effective yet dependable brake rotor, this is an excellent choice. The mill-balanced design and quality validation ensures smooth and reliable braking, providing great value for your money. What people say. Fit perfect, work very with no noise with Corolla 2015. After removing the tires, I was surprised that the OEM rotor has very minimal wear and was very smooth surface. The installed is easy, and it also goes with the ACDelco 17D1210CH professional ceramic front disc brake pad set. The old pad is Wagner QC 1210 halfway. Everything works perfectly after installed. Very good braking and very quiet and smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.